This is Better is powered by Panic Mechanic. Today, as we are doing Mercedes-Benz E250 2012 model, we are doing a service today. Yeah, this is it, man. This is service kit for Mercedes-Benz E250 2012 model. This is it. As you can see, this is the air filter, this is the fuel filter, this is the cabin filter, this is the engine flush, diesel additive, this is our oil, 5W30, this is our antifreeze. This car, it uses 7 liters, as you can see. This is 5 liter, then 6, we have got 1 liter, 1 liter. It means that 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7 liters. The old oil, you can see it dropped the bolt. Okay. This is our old diesel filter. It's our old diesel filter. Here we are removing the oil filter. Wow. Carbon. Yeah, it have got carbons.
Carbon buildups.
So we are going to change and put new one. This is the new one. As you can see, it's clean. So he's removing the oil seal here. This is the oil seal. Also here is putting the new ones. These are the small ones, you can see. They are small pequeños, these ones. So this is it. Here we want to remove the air filter. This is the air filter for Mercedes-Benz. It was about the time. Look at the dust. Look at the dust. You can see. This is the dust. Look at it. It's not safe for the car. It goes to the engine. You will find it in the oil down there at the oil sump. Oh yeah, this is the new one. As we are fitting the new one. This is the new one, as you can see. It's in. Z is not old, as you can see. It's not splitting any oil here. The oil is going inside straight, baby. This is it. 5W30.
It's fully synthetic.
It's fully synthetic, baby. I'm working. You can see, baby. Wow. He's good. He did not even split any. So tell me, this oil is good for this car, ne?
It's perfect for this car. Fully synthetic.
Great.
On these modern engines, they are designed to work on synthetic oil. So this oil protects the engine to have a long life.
The guy is good. The guy is good. He's not an old man. He did not even split. He's coming with another one. Let's see how good he is. Wow. Wow. Even a single drop. It's good. There's a switch here, you have to unplug it. It's out. This is it. Can you see it? Here's our guys, I've never seen this in my entire life. Guys, this is the old one. And this is the new one, guys. Where is these things? Look at the difference. This is the old one. This is the new one. Wow. Maybe it's a new design. Maybe it's a new design for this Mercedes-Benz. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's a new design. I'm not sure. Maybe this one is old model. This one is old model. And this one is new design. This is the new one. We put the new one, as you can see. Yeah, this is it. As we are done. As we are done with it.